Yeah, it was soft all the way down. That was nice.
That was nice. Right out of the gate. This gate. First run. Right out of the gate.
Maybe hang up. I'm not positive he is.
Sounded like I understood him as saying he was going to speed today. I could be wrong
thought there
about
might have
that.
been a small doubt.
What now?
Heard my phone ring. I'll see who called up top.
He might have called me at the exact moment that I was texting. That's not out of the realm of probability. It's like a horse yesterday won the Kentucky Derby. It was like 22 to 1.
Oh, is that right?
Oh, yeah. I don't know who his name was. I just said this wasn't the one that was slated to win. It was a favorite. That's what the steam protector is behind the lift pole.
Never stop unless you're below a friend or a tree. Then you won't get hurt.
That's good. That's fun.
Well, with the high-speed lifts, you have to be a lot more careful than you used to be.
Yep.
It helps a ton of people.
We're 2,200 vertical feet.
sideways, you gotta look over your shoulder.
Boy, Union in the gut looks super good.
Well, it probably is.
Oh man. Since they closed, well, this is the fun part. This is 42 inches, 23 inches. So it only has like 23 inches of snow. Plus what it had before, where those rocks were barren rock. Snow.
That street.
Probably enough to wouldn't break through, but you very well could at any given point. Oh, Bill just texted me.
Oh,
Now check it out. We'll get off the lift there.
there you go.
We're in the hurry up game here in just a moment.
Should probably go to Big Square.
Me too. We're down there.
Why the hell yes, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Let me check my phone. Check your phone.